Your question is, which of the following constitutional amendments is related to raising the number of members of Lok Sabha to be elected from the states? Your options are A. 6th and 22nd, B. 13th and 38th, C. 7th and 31st, or D. 11th and 42. Right answer is C. 7th and 31st. Your question is, before completing its term, the Lok Sabha can be dissolved. Your options are A. By the discretion of President, B. By the discretion of Prime Minister, C. By the discretion of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, or D. By the President on the recommendation of Prime Minister. Right answer is D. By the President on the recommendation of Prime Minister. Your question is, prior to the completion of tenure, the Lok Sabha can be dissolved. Your options are A. By the will of President, B. By Speaker, C. By the President on the recommendation of Council of Ministers, or D. By the President on the recommendation of the Speaker. Right answer is C. By the President on the recommendation of Council of Ministers. Your question is, session of Lok Sabha is called for at least. Your options are A. Once in a year, B. 2 times in a year, C. 3 times in a year, or D. 4 times in a year. Right answer is B. 2 times in a year. Your question is, the quorum of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is. Your options are A. 1/5 of the total membership, B. 1/6 of the total membership, C. 1/10 of the total membership, or D. 1/8 of the total membership. Right answer is C. 1/10 of the total membership. Your question is, what is the quorum of Lok Sabha in relation to its strength? Your options are A. 1/3, B. 1/5, C. 1/11, or D. 1/10. Right answer is D. 1/10. Your question is, what is the quorum to constitute a meeting of Lok Sabha? Your options are A. 1/6 of the total members of the House, B. 1/10 of the total members of the House, C. 1/4 of the total members of the House, or D. 1/3 of the total members of the House. Right answer is B. 1/10 of the total members of the House. Your question is, the maximum number of members in Lok Sabha can be. Your options are A. 540, B. 545, C. 550, or D. 555. Right answer is C. 550. Your question is, in the general elections 2009, elections for 543 Lok Sabha constituencies was held. Out of these, how many Lok Sabha constituencies are from the states? Your options are A. 525, B. 528, C. 530, or D. 532. Right answer is C. 530. Your question is, what is the current number of members of Lok Sabha? Your options are A. 541, B. 543, C. 444, or D. 545. Right answer is B. 543. Your question is, the Union Territories get representation in. Your options are A. Lok Sabha, B. Rajya Sabha, C. Both Houses of Parliament, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Both Houses of Parliament. Your question is, what can be the maximum representation from the Union Territories to the Lok Sabha? Your options are A. 15, B. 20, C. 25, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. 20. Your question is, the sitting of House of the People may be terminated by. Your options are A. Adjournment, B. Prorogation, C. Dissolution, or D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Your question is, which one of the following is authorized to prorogue the session of the House of the People? Your options are A. Speaker, B. Attorney General, C. Minister of Parliamentary, or D. President. Right answer is D. President. Your question is, the tenure of which Lok Sabha was about 6 years? Your options are A. 5th Lok Sabha, B. 7th Lok Sabha, C. 9th Lok Sabha, D. 11th Lok Sabha, or E. 13th Lok Sabha. Right answer is A. 5th Lok Sabha. Your question is, the term of the Lok Sabha. Your options are A. Cannot be extended under any circumstances, B. Can be extended by 6 months at a time, C. Can be extended by 1 year at a time during the proclamation of emergency, or D. Can be extended for 2 years at a time during the proclamation of emergency. Right answer is C. Can be extended by 1 year at a time during the proclamation of emergency. Your question is, which state sends the largest number of members in Lok Sabha? Your options are A. Bihar, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. West Bengal, or D. Uttar Pradesh. Right answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Your question is, after Uttar Pradesh, the highest number of Lok Sabha seats have been allotted to. Your options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Maharashtra, or D. West Bengal. Right answer is C. Maharashtra. Your question is, how many Lok Sabha seats are allocated to the state of Rajasthan? Your options are A 27, B 26, C 25 or D 24. Right answer is C 25. Your question is, in India, which state has the largest representation in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Your options are A Uttar Pradesh, B Madhya Pradesh, C Maharashtra or D Andhra Pradesh. Right answer is A Uttar Pradesh.